Hello traders, I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Friday, August 26th. Fed Chairman Yellen speaking today. Markets waiting for this all week long, and things are very, very volatile as to be expected. I'm here to talk to you about corn, soybeans, and wheat very briefly. Corn market. Here's the rumor mill going on that the corn crop is not as big as everybody in the USDA have been talking about. The warmer nights and all the rain that we got in July, perhaps crimping the yield on corn. So that's the scuttlebutt going forward here. We do have the cheapest corn in the world today, so let's get the rest of the world, the rest of the countries who need corn, buying it from the great USA. Soybean market. I mean, let's be frank, what a drubbing. Soybeans are down 30 cents yesterday, 10 cents today. It is always darkest right before dawn. And backing up, August is a strong seasonal for soybeans to trade higher. And even yesterday, the high in November beans 10.05. So for them to stay above there for this long a period of time with the rains that are coming was pretty impressive. But soybeans were down 30 yesterday, 10 today. So really taking a drubbing here. Weekly reversal down on the soybean chart. So in the near future, it doesn't look that good. Early in the week, soybean oil had a positive chart pattern. They took the steam out of the soybean oil yesterday as well. So prices under pressure here today. The wheat market, Egypt's the biggest wheat buyer in the world today. All of their tenders this week were Black Sea origin, and Russia, what a powerhouse Russia is now in the world wheat market. Perhaps Russia's going to be the biggest wheat exporter in the world today, so kudos to them and the grain that they produce. So commodities, there's a lot of cattle around. There's a lot of pork in storage, bacon in storage. The slaughter on cattle this week is 640,000 head of cattle. Dairy and cheese, a big glut, 30, 40, 50-year record storage of cheese. The USDA is buying 11 million pounds of cheese to distribute to our pantries to help this glut of cheese going on here. The cheese and dairy, low prices and glut, it's a global phenomena, with France complaining about lower prices for milk and cheese. France wants the rest of the European Union nations to buy their milk from them at higher prices. This is protectionism and what Brexit was all about. So opens up the debate for that. So here's a positive. Sanderson Foods, a big chicken producer in our country, their earnings out this week up 7 to 8%. And they're saying if corn and soybean prices can stay lower in 2017, they're going to continue to be profitable. So here's the understanding of how low prices is the cure for low prices. These end users start making money on the corn that they use, and they're going to use more of it. So wrapping this up, Algiers, that part of the country, their grain production is down 40% this year due to drought. So we're not there today, but just think what these prices will do if South America or North America goes through a 30, 40% decrease in grain production. It's just worth noticing. And the rains that we've had in Louisiana, they're like a 100-year weather event. Seems like we get in these weather events now every 5 years. That used to be every 100 years. So I think it's worth noting, and we'll keep talking about that. Everybody have an excellent weekend. Thank you.